Hi guys, and it's day 32, and to be honest with you, I have nothing to talk about. But actually, I've got an idea. I will be inviting one of my friends over, and it says bake and decorate something. That seems fun, and I have just the thing to do that. So okay, so as you can see, it's a cookie kit. So I'm going to be making you guys some cookies today. And here are the molds that make the jigsaw, which is going to be very interesting. Not that any of them look like the animals, but yeah. So yeah, without saying that, let's get straight into it. So the cookies are in the oven being baked, so that's going to take a while. So instead of putting it all into one video, I'll show you me decorating them in the next video. So yeah, if you like this video, subscribe and press the like button. Till next time guys, peace out.